Hello Linda, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be doing a makeup tutorial. Now recently I stumbled upon this reel on Instagram and I felt so inspired. That makeup looks so beautiful on her that I wanted to do it on myself, and I felt like, I haven't done a makeup tutorial in a long time. I mean, that's what it felt like. So I sat down in front of the camera today, decided to recreate that makeup look, and I'm absolutely loving the outcome. This is the very first time that I've played with rhinestones, and you know what, I'm actually feeling this makeup look. So in case if you guys want to know how I achieved this makeup look, which is very simple by the way, like all of my other tutorials, then please continue watching. So taking my e.l.f. primer, I'm gonna be priming my face. I am gonna be applying it on the centers of my face and also on my cheeks. Then taking my foundation, I'm gonna be dotting it all over my face, and using a makeup brush I'm gonna be blending it and applying it all over. Once that is done, I'm gonna be taking my beauty blender and I'm just gonna be running it through my face just so it absorbs any extra foundation that I have all over my face. Taking my K-Beauty concealer, I'm going to be first applying it on the centers of my face and then blending it out, and then I'm going to be applying it on my under eyes. I'm doing this because this concealer sets super fast and I do not want my concealer looking patchy on me. And I'm using my beauty blender to blend my concealer because I get a really nice finish whenever I'm using a beauty blender with my concealers. Then to add some dimension to my face, I'm gonna be taking this contouring stick by Sephora. I'm again working in sections with this contouring stick because I feel like that way I get a lot more control when it comes to blending my products. Also, I haven't used this contouring stick since ages, but I absolutely love it, and since it's summers, I'm staying away from using cream products. Then taking a cream blush by K-Beauty, I'm gonna be applying it on the cheeks. And after that, I'm going to be setting everything in place using this compact powder by L'Oreal. And please don't even ask me how did I manage to break the compact powder. Luckily, the powder inside hasn't broken, but the outer packaging is ruined. So next up, I'm going to be taking my banana powder by Sugar and I'm going to be applying it on the areas where I applied the concealer. You know what? I always feel like I sound so different whenever I'm doing my voiceovers. Am I the only one who thinks like that? Please let me know in the comments down below. Now I'm going to be taking this bronzer by Note Cosmetics and I'm going to be setting my contour in place, like my cream contour in place with this guy. I'm not applying a lot, and I'm also adding this because I want that JLo glow. It's like a baked product and it gives such a stunning glow to your face. I mean, you guys can see it. And while filming this video, I was obviously watching some true crime stories. That's the reason why you see me so distracted here. I'm so sorry. I was listening to Bella Fiore and that case had me hooked. I mean, you guys will see me distracted throughout the video. So if I am, that's what it is. Okay, we are making some progress, you guys. This look is so simple yet fun. I had a gala time filming this makeup look for you guys. And there you go, guys. Our base is done. Moving on to eyes, I'm going to be using my K-Beauty concealer to prime my eyes. And for the eyes, I'm going to keep it very simple. I'm going to be using the same bronzer that I used on my face all over my lid as like a lid color and a transition color. I'm also going to be applying that shade on my lower lash line. Since I'm using rhinestones, I wanted my lid color to be very simple, and that's the reason why I decided to go with the bronzer and not just skip eyeshadow altogether, because I felt like if I did that, my eyes would look very plain. I needed a little bit of color while defining my eyes a little bit. Then taking a dark brown eyeshadow, I'm going to be using that to create a wing liner. I'm also going to be extending the wing liner on my inner corners as well. And since I'm using eyeshadows to create a wing liner, it's not going to look as harsh. So while we are at it, I'm going to give you some life update. I am currently in the process of moving, like I told you guys earlier, and today the movers and packers guys came in the afternoon. So the drawer that you guys see in the background is gone. I didn't have a lot of saman. It was only this drawer and one mini drawer, and also my makeup ka saman that I sent with the movers and packers guys. And when it comes to clothes, I do not have a lot. I am only carrying like 2 tiny suitcases with me, which I think is fine. Okay, so now comes the fun part, which is applying rhinestones, and I wanted the placement of the rhinestones to be very symmetrical. Later on you'll see that I did one eye off camera and then tried to replicate the same on the other eye. I mean, you can do whatever you feel like. It doesn't have to be the exact placement that I did in this video. Just play with it, have fun. So once I'm happy with the placement of the rhinestones, I move on to my eyebrows. I set them in place and then I apply some mascara and false lashes off camera. For my lips, I obviously went with a nude lip. I used a lip liner by Maybelline. And then I topped it off using this lipstick by K-Beauty. Okay, so that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this really fun makeup tutorial. In case if you did, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel in case if you haven't already. And while you guys are at it, come follow me on Instagram because I love talking to you guys over DMs. Thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting my channel. It really means the world to me. I love you guys so much. With that, you guys, I'm gonna take a leave and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye, Linda.